Alright everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Steve from Manini Handcrafts, and today we're watching a video of my wife making a bottle stopper out of a square or rectangular blank. Alright, you can see she's already got the square blank rounded out using the roughing gouge, and then she set the length of the bottle stopper. Alright, now you see she's just getting that rough shape that she wants using that spindle gouge. And she's got it down to the length she wants it, so she's going to finish and take off that end that she's no longer needing. That's now scrap. And then she'll start going on with this carbide tool that you see, and it just kind of helps shape the wood part of the bottle stopper. Makes it a little easier with that rounded edge. Makes it kind of more convenient for her to do it versus using the standard high-speed steel traditional tools that you see on with lathe working. And here you go. She's just finishing up that last detail and taking measurements, making sure it matches how she wants to that stainless steel topper. And then once she gets that where she wants, she sands it down, puts a couple layers of polish on it, kind of sped through that here so you don't have to watch it all. And then once she's done with that, here in a second, you'll see her take the wood part of the stopper off the lathe and attach it to the stainless steel portion that actually goes down into the wine bottle. There you go. There's the finished product. And then you'll see it. You see the stainless steel there. And now that it's all put together, it's a finished product and ready to go. And that's it for this video, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll try and post here as often as we can. Thank you for taking the time to watch it.